Time is money, right? Luma Touch, why are you wasting so much of my time? I spent 3 hours just to do a cross resolve on my 20 minutes project. Is that a problem? I think so. Let's find out in this video why that happened. Let's go. So what is the problem? I'll show you guys what this one I've finished complete the project already. Okay, but I just saved halfway. Okay, right halfway here. Okay, it's a 20 minutes project, roughly 10 minutes right there. See, I got halfway through my editing, just put in the cross resolve, and I was so frustrated with the program that I said, hey, I gotta take a break. Okay, so I end up only do halfway through up to here. Okay, so 9 minutes, right? From here we're halfway through, and I said I had enough. For me to do the cross resolve, 9 minutes took me 1 hour at least, 1 hour at least. And I did, the next day I come back and I did the same to finish off the transition, a simple cross resolve like that, right? And guess what? It took me 1 hour and 15 minutes to do 10 minutes of just, like that. Simple cross resolve, okay? I'm not expecting much, right? It's very laborious. So time is money, and if you combine all that stuff, right? How much time did I wasted doing just a simple cross resolve on my clips right here, right? Okay, 3 hours roughly, 2.5 to 3 hours for a 20 minutes project, and I'm not counting the time that take me to edit, okay, do the cut, all the editing and all the stuff. But please, Luma Touch, what's going on? A simple cross resolve that long? Are you serious? Okay, usually when you drag it on, right, there's a 1 second delay, let's go bang, click into place. Now if the playhead is over there, right, you drag on the cross resolve, 1 second, and the playhead will click back to replace, which is fine, okay? But it's still a 1 second delay, and if you have a lot of cut like what I do right now, like I'll show you my cut. So all this cut, right, it's gonna take me a long time just to do all of this, put it in the transition, okay? So that's just problem number that I have, okay? Way too long just to do a simple cross resolve, okay? It's way too long. Fatal flaw in the program right now. What happens if Luma Touch doesn't come up with a solution soon? I totally understand that initially when Luma Touch was developed, it was for a mobile editing workflow. So basically people want to have a quick edit on the go. It's been 5 years already. There's a lot of development already so far, but as I learned right now, for Lumafusion, is still not a pro level editing app, right? So people will just use Lumafusion to do a simple cut only. They will not use this to do other stuff, right? So 3 hours, roughly, give and take, 3 hours just to do a simple cross resolve. That's just borderline of ridiculous, okay? Time is money, okay? And if people are working, okay, as an editor, and they have a time pressure and client pressure, all that stuff. So time is money. And right now, at the current stage, with this fatal flaw in the program, a pro editor will not use this for pro work. I can't rely on Lumafusion right now to do pro level work. It means I get paid. I don't rely on this, okay? Simple cut, yes, and go and do an XMP, export out to other video editing app, okay? Then it's good for that. But standalone app, not yet, not there. What are the possible solutions, okay? Now, very simple. Developer of Luma Touch are editor. So what's the best way to do a fix like this, right? You edit on the timeline, okay? So if I can slowly, okay, drag it on the timeline, the track, it would do nothing, okay? Drag it on to the time track, boom, nothing. Drag it on to the time track. No. So you can't edit on the time track. And other pro video editing app can do it. For God's sake, yeah? Even Windows Media Player, they can do an automatic transition, a cross resolve, okay, whatever you want. And Luma Touch, a semi-pro editor, can't do it? Are you kidding me? 5 years in the making, and no one thought of that. There's other programs like the DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro. I haven't used Final Cut, so I don't know, okay? But those two programs, DaVinci Resolve and Premiere Pro, has the ability to edit on the track. So if you want to do a quick edit, okay, instead of me laboriously going one by one to do a cross resolve, I just do one simple trick, okay? Just edit on the track, boom, everything's complete. Maybe it's just a coding, I don't know, I'm not technical, but there's other program, other video editing app that can do it. Why not Luma Touch? Is it a rendering issue? Hey, I could wait 5 minutes, okay? Even 5 minutes, 10 minutes even, to do a simple automatic transition. So I don't have to ridiculously go one by one to do a cross dissolve transition for every single clip, every single cut that I make. Do it on the track, boom, done, okay? The other solution is what? We do a multi-select, okay? So we turn on multi-select, select everything. Now we do a cross dissolve. Guess what? We can't. Okay? So turn on multi-select, right? Let's do a few examples for you. Okay, just say I select, unselect that. Select 3, okay? 3 clips. Now can I do a cross dissolve? No. See where the problem is? Now if you can reprogram the multi-select and have the ability to do a dissolve, okay? A transition with a multi-select, that could work as well. Yeah, so that is a fatal flaw right there, right? There's no way right now that I can do a multi-select and do a quick transition. There's no one button that can do all this. So I have to do 2 hours, 2.5 hours, 3 hours just to do a transition alone. No, not even cutting. So time is money. And right now, if I have a complex crash, unbelievable, it crashed on me. See, it's not there yet. Still have a lot of bugs. So if you have a complex time frame like this, right, it struggles, okay? 20 minutes, okay, struggle already, beginning to struggle. So that's my point across already, okay? So cross dissolve, can't do it, crash again. Unbelievable, right? Yeah, a simple cross dissolve, can't do it. And it's supposed to be a pro level editing app. So 2 solutions I supplied there, edit on the track or multi-select, and you can have the ability to do a cross dissolve. There's other people that want to have a fancy transition, but for most of us, for myself personally, I like to have the option, okay? So if I don't want to do a fancy transition, and I want to do a fast edit, I want to quickly put a cross dissolve on all my clips, okay? And it's done. Why can't Luma Touch do it? Just a suggestion only, okay? Should this be a paid option or a free option? From my point of view, from an editor point of view, it's supposed to be in the program. It's just a normal editing function or features. It shouldn't be a paid upgrade at all. So to make the future updates, this must be in your high consideration. Am I gonna see the ability to edit on the track? Okay? Can I do a automatic, semi-automatic transition in Lumafusion soon? I don't want to spend 3 hours, go like crazy, right? Do a transition. Come on, Luma Touch, help me please, okay? Help me. I love Lumafusion, but there's some pro level editing app features that are lacking right now. And if Lumafusion want to stay ahead of the game, the best video editing app for mobile, iPad, touch-based, they're gonna fix this issue. There's a lot of suggestions from other people already, and hopefully I add to that voice as well. So you have similar problem just like me? Spend 3 hours doing crazy, do a transition? Leave me a comment down below. So I'll send this video to Luma Touch and they can respond to it. They are editor, they understand what I'm talking about. Surely they can. I'll see you next time with another rant. Hopefully not another rant, but a future update of Lumafusion that we request. I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.